Good morning, everybody. Today is January 8, 2024, 8:45 in the morning, 14 degrees Celsius. I am currently at the site monitoring the site activities. I want to share with you some heavy equipment used at the construction, like now for early works. This is called grader to flatten the sand or the soil, and another equipment back there is also doing what? It's a bulldozer, and there's another one. No, that's the body of the RCD, rapid compaction testing. And this is CPT truck, cone penetration testing truck. They are on standby currently. Yes, that's it for now. Till next time, bye.